Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming my finale of the 12 Pans of Christmas. This is a humongous collab. I'm just going to link down below the playlist of all the ladies. That way you guys can see where everyone started out. We, a humongous group of YouTube ladies, even some Instagram women, decided to do the 12 Pans of Christmas. Some people picked products that related to a different Christmas movie that reminded them of it somehow. I just picked 12 products I wanted to pan. I'm a slacker, whatever. Blame it on the baby, right? Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna show you my 12 products, what I've accomplished. The first is a dud. I did not hit pan on my Maybelline Better Skin. I have it in the color 30 Warm Nude. I actually have finished a lot. You can kind of see like the top of the pan right there. So I've gone through a lot of it and I have a really good dip kind of going on that end. I feel like I'm gonna hit pan soon, but it's really frustrating. That's the only one I didn't, actually no, there's one more. I'm going in order of face and how I apply my makeup. So the next thing are concealers. I wanted to hit pan on my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Creamy Beige, and I actually finished this. It doesn't look like it, but I did. I squeezed every last ounce out of this. Some people, when this came out, people were all over it. They literally said this could cover anything. It was amazing. It was great under the under eyes. I didn't find that to be true. For me personally, I do have under eye circles. They're not the worst, but they're definitely there. Even with concealer, I just can't cover them completely. I don't know what to do, but this was fine. It was fine. It was nothing special, in my opinion. So that's that. The next thing is from Bobbi Brown, and it's a color corrector. This is a product I do love. This is in the color Dark Peach, and I will put this on my under eye circles first, and especially in the inner corner to brighten up and color correct that area. Then I'll use a concealer. And I hit a good amount of pan, and this whole thing looks like a crater. Like I've done really, really good there. So I'm really excited because I didn't think I would hit pan on this, and I hit good pan. So corny. I'm super excited. There's one from Smashbox I really want to try out. I forgot who was talking about it, but I want to try it. Now we have a bronzer, another product that I was like, I'm never going to hit pan on this, and it's a mini. It's the Too Faced Mini Chocolate Soleil. Like, look how small. I finally hit pan. This product keeps getting hard pan, so I'll use like tape to kind of take off that first layer. If you can hear my baby screaming, it's because she's screaming. She's playing with her dad. But I did finally hit pan. My right eye keeps twitching. This is what happens when you're a mom and you're tired and stressed out. But yeah, really excited. I have finished 2 bronzers before, a Revlon one and a Sephora one. They were both really good. I do have other bronzers to go through, but that Revlon one is my favorite, and it's been discontinued, but I do have a backup. Now blush. Okay, my Cargo Blush in Bali, another little guy here. I hit amazing pan on. Look at that, guys. See that? Ooh, sexy. So excited to be finishing these products. I don't know why, I just felt I need to smell it. Oh, it smells like makeup. It smells kind of chemically. Bleh. But I love this blush. It's very natural, very easy, easy, easy. Like I throw this on and I don't have to worry about anything. So I'm not gonna get rid of any of these products that I've talked about. I'm gonna keep using them. The next one is my L'Oreal Visible Lift. This is a cream blush in Rose Gold Lift. These are like little pieces that, oops. I don't wanna step on that. So let me get it. Sorry guys. I really don't want to edit this video either, so you're probably going to see that. But I just scraped it off the floor. Otherwise, I would step on it and get it all over my house. Rose Gold Lift. I love this. I have talked about this over the years. I have finished a previous one. I think it was Peach Gold Lift. I'll use this as a blush, highlight, blush topper. I'll use it on my lid, in my crease. I mean, I will use this anywhere. It's just a beautiful, beautiful color. I wonder if you guys can see. Can you see? Can you see? So pretty. However, look at this. Like, I'm kind of, I don't know. I'm just kind of done with this product. I may call this done. I've used more than half of it because about half is gone here. I've pushed pieces back in there that have fallen off, and I've used a bunch up top, especially on this edge. But I may just call this done. I do have the dark, I think it's like a berry color that a friend gave me, one of my subscriber friends. But I hate to like quit on it, but I don't know. It's just a lot. And I have other cream brushes, so I will call that done. So I will say I have finished 2 products. My brows. I have the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color dark brown. And guys, totally never thought I'd hit pan. Boom! Look at that pan up there. And you can see how deep that is. So, and this whole pomade pot, like it has dried around the edges, but the actual product itself is still really creamy, so I'm not worried about it. I'm not going to mix it or anything because it's perfectly fine, but hit really good pan there considering. So I will keep using this. I really enjoy how much product is in here and how long this is lasting. So love that guy. Oh, guys, clearly I didn't finish this quad. Look what happened. So this is from Black Radiance. It's a sister company of the drugstore brand Wet n Wild. This was in the Prismatic Pearls. It was a quad that had like a purple, a goldish, yeah, like a muted gold color, or like a dirty gold, antique gold, and then like a pinky and a rosier kind of color. And it was a quad, and I was working on the edge of the purple and that like deeper rose color. And I just wanted to hit pan on this and then call this done. But I did hit pan and then it just started crumbling. And then I kind of went to shake out just the crumbles. Literally the whole thing shattered and fell into my trash. And I contemplated fishing it out. But I have a dog and I have a baby, so God knows what's in my trash. So at least I hit pan on it. I will say that this was a success because I hit pan on the 2 shadows. However, I can't even prove it to you, but I swear I'm not lying. So clearly that's being considered done. Super proud, guys. This is my Wet n Wild Vanity 6 pan, and I just wanted to hit pan on these 2, and I did. I hit pan on this lighter color a while ago, over a month ago. I was putting this all over my eyelid, from lash line to brow, just to set my, whether it's my foundation that I just put on everywhere or the eye primer or something like that, just to give like a clean palette to work off of. And this I was always putting in my crease. This, guys, took forever. I was using these consistently way before the first of these videos came out a couple months ago, and literally just hit pan today. And I was using this one way more. Actually, I thought I was using this way more because I kept dipping back in to do the, you know, the blending and everything like that, but apparently not. So who knows? But yeah, so I hit pan. I don't know what to do. So the thing is, the last products, I was hoping to hit pan or even finish these 2 guys, yeah, right, and then start working on these 2, even though they're warmer colors. And I wasn't even able to like touch these whatsoever, which is kind of disappointing because I thought I would do better with these and then start working on these. But I'm torn. Should I get rid of this? My goal really was just to hit pan and be done with it. But now I kind of feel like I should try to finish them because I've never finished eyeshadows. Granted, I'm doing a lot of collabs for 2018 with Jen, really trying to pan products. We want to pan a palette. I want to, you know, do some seasonal pans, use up eyeshadows, that kind of thing. So I don't know if I should just move on. For example, I'm going to be trying to pan my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. And look at this massive cream. And then I have a brown here. Look like anything? So, you know, should I just pass on this and get going with these guys? Because my goal really was just to hit pan. And I think I did a good job there. And this has a huge dent. So, I don't know. Comment down below and let me know what you guys were thinking. That's actually it. So, I was successful on everything except starting these two, and then my face powder, because that just didn't, because that just didn't hit pan whatsoever. But let me know what you guys think, if you've been following along, or if you've been doing a project like this similar, or this is an actual project. Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the upcoming year. I'm really hoping to film more and post more and be more active again. It has just been a really tough, exhausting year. I'm still getting used to being a mom. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed our 12 pans of Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.